like this, right? And the height of this walls is level 2, right? And draw the roof. Roof by footprint level 2, and hide the slope and draw like this, right?
Right.
See, select the all this and click on copy and paste align to selected labels and draw like this and draw, right?
Right, sir.
Go select the first floor, activate the shaft key and draw the shaft like this. Click on finish, and here you specify the total distance. Okay, you can see in 3D. See, the shaft is cut like this, right? Each floor will be cut in the shaft position. Understand?
Yes.
Abu,
Yes, sir.
you raise your hand,
It was before when you left the class before 15 minutes.
right?
Right, sir.
If you don't able to understand, I will repeat this process.
Yeah, one time, yes, sir. We will repeat together.
Okay.
First,
First
first
you
wall,
create wall. First you create the labels, all the labels.
first level.
You create the wall
Uh,
and create roof for that walls.
okay.
Then copy and
Then
uh,
copy, okay.
then
Copy or click.
copy and paste to the align labels, all the labels.
Okay.
Just you will just
Activate the
activate
level,
the
then
shaft command and draw on the first floor, right?
uh,
On the first floor you have here the base offset and the total height of your shaft,
that's true.
right? And the shaft will automatically cut your floors, right?
Yes.
Now understand the shaft.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand this wall opening as well. So this is your face or a vertical. So see what is the difference between face or a vertical, right? Draw another walls here, and I am creating a roof as well as a roof by a footprint on level 2 by this, and draw the this one, and I have to apply the two slopes, only two edges, or click on finish, right? So in the 3D you can see this is your roof, right?
Yeah.
If we applying the this Y face, you will
Yeah.
click here and select the face, this face, right?
Okay.
And draw the opening size.
Okay.
This opening will be is parallel to your face. See, right? This opening is the parallel to your
Please.
face. But in another, this is the vertical opening, right?
Yes.
In the vertical opening, activate the vertical opening and click on the roof and draw your size like this. This is your vertical size. How, which one? Vertical. In vertical, see the difference by face or in the y vertical. This is cut as the vertically downward direction as perpendicular to this face. Right?
Right, sir.
So you easily understand the difference between biface opening or a vertical face opening?
This is something related to the horizontal. The other one
Yes.
is this
This
one.
is the parallel to this face and this is vertically to this face.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right.
Okay. So in this session, you have only left this dormer opening, right?
Dormer opening. Yeah.
Yes. For the dormer opening, you have just I delete this wall, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just delete it. And this opening or also I am going to delete. Delete, delete, right? For the dormer opening, you have to create like this. Draw a wall.
What about this?
I am going to tell you for the dormer opening,
Okay.
right? This base level is height and I am going to give the 8 feet of your wall height, right? From the level 2
Okay.
and draw a wall like this, right? And choose roof and offset at the 8 level, 8 feet, right?
Right, sir.
And draw a roof like this. Or on this, you have defined the slope on this wall and this wall. Oh, okay. Yes. Like this, right? Right?
Right, sir.
You able to create this position? Now I am going to attach this roof to the this roof.
Yeah, you attached.
Yesterday I told you.
Yes, sir.
So which command is activating?
This one.
Just select this roof and activate the join roof command, right?
Mm.
And click this edges to this edges like this. Now this walls is already cut. Well, joined roof is joined to this roof. Yes or no?
Join it. Join it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you activate the dormer opening. Which one? Dormer opening. Select your roof like this and pick your walls like this. All the four sides of your wall like this and like this. See, right? And apply trim on the corners like this and finish the finish mode. In the inner portion, you have see the wall is your wall is cut here, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
This opening is called as dormer opening. And this
Okay.
walls, click on this wall and attach to from base and select the this roof. Attach to the base and click this. Okay, this is creating problem, right?
Right, sir.
Now you are able to draw the dormer opening,
All the opening, all the opening.
all the opening. Very good. So session 10 is complete, right?
Mm.
Right, sir.
In session 10 you have session 9, sorry. In section 10 you have the practice session 2.
Mm.
So
Okay.
tomorrow is your practice session.
Yes.
Mm.
Do your practice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you
Yes, sir.
facing any problem, then you ask me on Monday,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
right? And
Right.
draw your project and click this that project and send it to me